In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a GDPR consent banner in Shopify. We'll walk through the entire process inside your Shopify admin so that your store can clearly communicate cookie usage and help you stay compliant with privacy regulations, especially for visitors in the European Union and similar regions. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you're on the main dashboard, move your attention to the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click that. This will open a new page with a menu on the left-hand side. In that left panel, look for the option called Customer Privacy and select it. This is where Shopify groups all of the main privacy and cookie settings for your store. At the top of this page, you'll see a card labeled Privacy Settings. Inside that card, click on Cookie Banner. This will open the configuration area for your GDPR consent banner. Next, look for the section called Regions and Content. Here, you'll see a toggle labeled Use Automated Settings. Make sure this is turned on. When it's enabled, Shopify will automatically decide when and where to show the cookie banner based on the visitor's location and the relevant privacy laws. Just below this section, you'll see a live preview of the cookie banner that your customers will see on your storefront. There's also a button in the preview called Cookie Preferences. Click that to open and review the Cookie Preferences pop-up preview so you can understand exactly what options your customers will have. Under the preview, you'll find a section labeled Color. This is where you can control the look and feel of your consent banner. You can choose between light, dark, or custom. Light and dark apply preset color schemes that usually match most themes. If you choose custom, you'll be able to manually select colors for the background, the main text, the button, and the button text. Try to pick colors that are accessible and easy to read and that fit with your store's branding. Scroll further down and you'll see a card labeled Position. Here you can choose where the banner appears on the screen: center, bottom full width, bottom center, bottom left, or bottom right. Think about your store's layout and choose a position that is visible but not overly disruptive to the shopping experience. The last section is called Checkout. In this area, you can decide whether the cookie banner should also appear on the checkout pages. Depending on your legal requirements and store design, you can enable or disable this option. Once you're happy with all your choices, look towards the top of the page near the search bar and click Save. This will apply your settings to your live store, and that's it. Your GDPR consent banner is now set up in Shopify and ready for your customers.